Hello and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1-Minute Healthcare Update. Now, as always, if you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. And as a reminder, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. We've done a few videos on the surprise medical bill ban, and to no one's surprise, there are already a few hiccups. So unfortunately, a couple recently received a bill for $80,000, which definitely came as a major surprise and an unwelcome one at that, when they delivered twins at a local hospital. Now, the twins had to stay in the NICU, and they were expecting that their bill would be their $10,000 out-of-pocket maximum. However, since the twins were never actually admitted via the emergency room, the insurance did not consider the procedures to be emergencies and therefore subject to the surprise medical bill ban. Now, of course, this is absolutely ridiculous. As anyone who works in a hospital or any parent can tell you, having to stay in the NICU most certainly is a medical emergency. The parents were billed for $80,000. They contested it with their insurance company and with the hospital, and eventually it was sent to collections. Eventually, they were able to settle for a sum of $8,000 instead, but it was a major and unexpected headache. As always, a reminder, please make sure to review your medical bills carefully. You would be surprised just how often there are errors in medical bills, and you don't want to pay extra needlessly. If you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to give us a call at iHealthBrokers at 888-918-0518 and find us at iHealthBrokers on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.